registered an account at FBS and want to start trading? In this video, we'll show you how to open your first trade. The first step is to log in to MT4. You got login and password when you registered at FBS. You can find this info in the registration letter. You will be able to view the initial password to your MT4 only within 24 hours after the registration. If you didn't save it, get a new password in your personal area at fbs.com. Fill in the login details. Check that you got connected. The columns in the lower right corner should be green and blue. It may take more than one attempt to log in. If your first attempt failed, click File and then Login to Trade Account. Carefully fill in your login info. MT4 interface consists of a menu and two panels on the top, chart windows, and some additional things. We will tell you more about each element of the program in the next videos. Click the New Order button. A new window will appear. We will sell euro-dollar, the most popular currency pair. Set the volume of a trade in lots, for example 1. Click Sell by Market. You made your first Forex trade. The level at which you sold the pair has appeared on euro-dollar chart. Wait until the trade shows the profit you want. To close the trade, choose the Trade tab in the panel below the charts. Double-click your order. In the window that pops up, click the yellow horizontal bar. Your trade is closed and your profit is added to your account. Congratulations! Now you are ready to make your first deal. It's time to take action. Thank you for watching. Continue your education at fbs.com.
If you're ready to take action now, please click on the link below this video for more information.